Introduce poster toward a secure QR code system by fingerprinting screens. From Shanghai Jiaotong University. QR code means quick response code, comprising of black and white blocks, specially recognized by its 3 position markers. QR code now is widely used all over the world, such as USA, China, and Australia. On account of its convenience, QR code is becoming popular. QR code has many applications, such as mobile payments, advertisements, social e-cards, and so on. For a payment scenario, the camera on the cashier scans the QR code displayed on the screen and the transaction then is permitted. Mobile payments are gradually growing up, especially in China. In China, more than 45% of the population use mobile payments. However, QR codes suffer from security concerns. Recent studies present the replay attack in mobile payment scenarios. When a customer shows the payment QR code on the screen to the cashier, some of the customers in line prepare the payment codes in advance. The attackers can obtain the QR code by taking a picture using cameras or installing malware. Once the attacker obtains the picture of QR code, there is no need to decrypt the QR code. He can simply submit the captured QR code to other cashiers or customize software to complete an illegal transaction. So, how to deal with this problem? Our solution is to encode a hardware fingerprint bound to screen into QR code. Thought the attackers obtain the QR code, the fingerprints for attacker screens do not match that encoded from an authorized screen. Therefore, the transaction will be terminated. We utilize PWM frequency as the hardware fingerprint. Pulse width modulation flickers the screen at a particular frequency, which we called PWM frequency. It controls screen brightness by regulating the ratio of screen on time in each cycle. The lower the ratio is, the darker the screen brightness. When capturing screen, the CMOS and camera samples row by row at different times, resulting in black and white stripes. Since human eyes are insensitive to high frequency, we do not notice the flickering. We studied the feasibility of utilizing PWM frequency as a fingerprint using light sensors. Preliminary results showed there exists differences across screens, even for the same model. Here is the demo at low exposure across 4 screens. Different patterns shown on screens for the reasons that they are of various PWM frequencies. To extract the PWM frequency from screens, we face several challenges. First, the patterns for OLED changes over distance and angle, but LCD screens are not. It is because LCD screen lights using only a single backlight, whereas each row of OLED screen lights asynchronously. Second, the rows in the camera sample rows on the screen may be not one-to-one correspondence. The sampling process of each row also performs at different times. Therefore, we must model the communication in both temporal and spatial domain. Third, the preliminary study illustrates 0.1 Hz can differentiate 99.3% screens. In order to achieve the goal, high-frequency resolution is necessary. To overcome the challenges above, we propose Screen ID system. We first encode key information including PWM frequency and latency across rows into a fixed-size QR code. Then capturing a photo to calculate the rotation angle by using position markers and compute projection ratio as a fraction of length of pixels along the original QR code. Finally, we record a video, extract contours of screens, concatenate multiframes for improving frequency resolution, extract the frequency using chirp-Z transform, and verify if the screen is authorized. The proposed system can successfully enhance the security of the QR code system. Thanks for watching.